Howdy. Just wanted to showcase the benefits of an electromagnet. Solar ray, whatever you want to call it. It's electromagnet. My brother-in-law and I, without contacting each other, I bought mine first, but we both got the same type. If you look for the blue case, it's some good stuff. It's worked many times so far. It's very powerful. And it's got a lot of different tips that you can use for different size bolts and things. So this is how it works. See, right now this bolt here is not going to come off to save my life. Solid. But now we utilize the electromagnet. If once we plug her in here, and then we put this on the bolt, wrap it around it as much as you can, and as you can see, the bracket right there that has a lot of the, sorry about the camera, has a lot of the loctite on it. You want to get that hot as well. And all you do with this thing is put it on the bolt and around whatever you want to get heated up. Push the trigger and let it go for a while. Now these, I normally wait until I see it smoking, because that means I'm burning that loctite off, and I know the bolt's going to come clean off of there without any hassle. Now believe it or not, this thing is working right now. It's getting that bolt super hot. Now you can't see it, but I can smell it. It's starting to burn that loctite a little bit. But this is all it takes. It's probably been, what, less than a minute or so. Like I say, I normally wait till it starts smoking, which is now. I know it's plenty hot. No flames, no nothing. No sweat. Again, the benefits of an electromagnet. No flame, nothing to catch on fire. It only heats up what you need to heat up. You don't mess up your boots or anything. So, electromagnet should be something in your shop, especially up north. Whew. All them rusty bolts, it's an absolute necessity. So there you have it, the benefits of an electromagnet. So, happy trails. Hasta luego. See ya. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate it.